How cool is that? That was all done by AI. Let me tell you about this channel called Sang Sarun. They are on the rise right now because they, amongst others, are tapping into a new viral niche, the AI animal rescue niche. With videos like these, where they show how an animal covered with parasites is rescued and saved, is gaining thousands upon thousands of views. So let's get started ourselves. We will first go to ChatGPT and ask, please give me 10 image prompts in text form to illustrate a story. It should be about a horse that is full of parasites. Then rescuers see the horse and start treating it in a way that the parasites slowly disappear and the horse is healthy again. And obviously, instead of the horse, you can choose another animal and you can change the number of image prompts. That is all up to you. Okay, nice. With all these prompts in hand, we need an AI image generator. You could use Ideogram, but for some reason today I cannot use the free version. So let's check out Pic Lumen. Simply sign up with your Google account. Now go to Create. Add the image prompt here and change the aspect ratio to widescreen, so 16:9. And press the Generate button. After like 10 seconds, it will be done. Nice, but since I have Midjourney, I will generate all the images there. I will use the Midjourney website to download the images because that is 10 times faster. Here are all the images. Next up, we are going to Hailuo AI. Go to Create, and then to Image to Video. Now simply upload an image and add the corresponding ChatGPT image prompt to it and generate it. The generation will take like 2 minutes. So yeah, for 20 images, this can take a while. Fast forward, all the video generations are done. Here they are. Now we are going to open up a new CapCut project and drop all the videos in there. I generated more than I had to, so I will delete the unnecessary ones. Be sure to arrange them all in chronological order according to the story. Now you could consider adding transitions, but I'm going to leave it like it is. Now next we will add some sound effects. Simply get it from YouTube. Some horse sound effects will be great. Chop it up and add it to the playlist. There are a lot more sound effects you could add. That is all up to you. Experiment with it and see what works best. Next up, we are going to add some background music. Simply find it in the YouTube audio library. I will go for some soft piano music. Add it to CapCut and adjust the volume levels of either the music or the sound effects, or both. Last but not least, we will add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own animal rescue videos with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.